afternoon, everybody. I am at my bestie's house, one of my besties, and she is going to let me help her declutter, clean, pack up her kitchen, and start getting it ready for sale. She may not end up moving for another year or so, but she's going to start now, and then, you know, when the day comes, it won't be as stressful. So I'm going to turn the camera around and I'll show you what we're looking at. This is the before, and as you can see, it's got a lot of stuff in here. It's cozy, but a little bit too busy, I think, for, you know, when you've got your house on the market. So this is what we're looking at for now. We got a lot of stuff here to pack up. A lot of it's sentimental stuff. We're going to keep out the things that she actually uses. And a big thing that we have to focus on is this area here. This is where the original fridge was. And then when they got the new fridge, it didn't quite fit. So she's ordered a new fridge to go in there, which is supposed to come next week. And we got to make some space for it. So that's where we're at. Okay, so we are starting over on this pile. This is one thing that's going to go because you don't have the lid. Yes. This I have the lid for, which is right there. Okay.
Those can all go.
These can all go?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me see, are we putting that like that?
Hi.
I don't know how to angle this. Oh, I do. Yes, I do.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, people. I'm going to put that like that so you can see there what we got. So this is going to?
Yeah. All right. Those white lids are going.
Okay. Oh, look at her go. Now, I did have to reassure her that I'm not making her get rid of anything she doesn't want to.
No, she's not.
So, so one of the main reasons you want to declutter before you move is so you're not paying extra to move a bunch of stuff that you don't want at the other end.
This I'm keeping.
Okay.
This has entertainment center.
Okay. That's keep.
Yes. And
Can we put keep over here?
Yes, we can. And I can pull out the.
All right. Okay. So. Oh yeah, that would work.
Oh, I just noticed this is chipped.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know how that happened, but unfortunately, Blue Bell is gonna go.
Okay. All right.
No comment on the dust. These are used.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
This is freezer stuff, which once I get in a new place, I will be making freezer meals.
We need to put that.
Fit in there, lock over. No, it won't.
But there's the lid for that. Anything that has a lid.
And these all have
keeping-
lids.
Mm-hmm.
I can put them around here.
So we have an anchor hawking thing that she's going to put out too. The lid is got a little bit of a crack in it. And you can buy new ones, but as we were just discussing, sometimes it's cheaper just to buy a new set. So anyway, this is another thing that's going. Well, this is all we have done so far. There's 14 boxes altogether packed up. Everything on here is what she's getting rid of, including this little baker's rack. So this is what we're looking like here. So when the new fridge comes, it'll be very easy to like move those couple things out of the way and move it in there. And this fridge is getting moved to the garage. And that is what that area looks like now. So massive transformation here. I just moved those baskets that were on top of the fridge with your water bottles up there because that fridge is going out to the garage. And we even got rid of that little table that was here. She's keeping it because it has sentimental meaning to her. Her mom had refinished that. And this, but it's been moved to the garage temporarily. And even things on here have been packed away or decluttered. So anyway, this is our first day of serious packing and decluttering, and thinking it looks pretty good. Obviously, we have a lot more to do, but we got to get more boxes. We ran out of boxes.